Alright, so it's just a quick video. Alright, if you seen my post from last week, you know I was on vacation. That's why you didn't see no upload last week. I've been pretty consistent, you know, putting shit out every week. But like I said, last week I was out of town, so there's no way I'm gonna put a video out. And anytime I make a video, I don't sit on it to make sure I get something out, you know, that week. When I make something, I put the shit right up. So, like, I was out of town. I got 2 packages, actually 3 packages. This one right here. Alright, so yeah, this basically shit I ordered for the channel and the car. If you seen like my last video, the 0 to 60, like that was not easy doing it with the fucking phone, because you holding the steering wheel, you holding the phone, you trying to make sure the screen is watching this, and that shit was just too much. And basically the whole time I've been doing this YouTube shit, like I've been doing everything on my iPhone. I just recently bought this little tripod thing that's holding my phone up right now. And I just bought that like 2 months ago. But before then, all I do is iPhone, iMovie, that's it. So I ordered some shit off Amazon. Let me show you what I got. Show you what the fuck going on, dog. This is the first box. This is the real package right here. The first one right here I'm about to show y'all. Alright. Alright, bam. You see it. GoPro Hero 7 Black. This the new shit. So basically, this is gonna help me bring way more content to the channel, because like you know I said I came a long way with my fucking iPhone, but sometimes shit on my old iPhone, because this is a new iPhone, but on my old iPhone I used to run out of space. I had to delete shit just to make a video. So like, you know, this shit was becoming annoying. So finally, you know, got an upgrade to the channel. Like I said, this GoPro right here, I'm about to show you what else I got, because that's not everything. That's the main piece right there. Alright, so I got the, I believe this is the, oh yeah, these the extra batteries right here for the GoPro, because the shit basically died. Like I read the review, so basically record, you know, in 4K, and the battery lasts for like an hour. And you probably think, well, your video's gonna be an hour long, but you probably recording like multiple clips plus like pausing and all that shit. So extra batteries. And this is, I believe, let me make sure before I say it. I always be ordering shit. I know what's in this package. Alright, so this right here is the head strap. So you can basically mount the GoPro on the head strap. So that's gonna allow me to, like, you see what I'm saying? Sometimes I even be racing people and shit, but I'm not about to be racing holding my phone. But now I'm about to be wearing this camera sometimes, show y'all some races, do a car wash video, show you how I wash my car. I'm gonna redo that 0 to 60, do launch control, you know, POV, just so you see how the car sound, some night driving videos, daytime videos. And basically, like I'm saying, this is just gonna like help me basically grow my channel way more, because I'm gonna be able to do way more content with this shit. Because like I said, the phone is cool, I came a long way, and anybody trying to start YouTube, you don't have to go out and get this. I just bought this shit, and I just bought the tripod. You just start with your iPhone or some small camera and just get it from there. You see what I'm saying? I only invested in this because I'm making money off YouTube. So I'm finally just putting some money back into what's making me money. So like I said, GoPro Hero 7, I got the head strap, extra batteries, and fucking memory card. And they actually had the GoPro on sale for $50 off, basically like everybody, Best Buy, Amazon. I ordered my shit off Amazon, $50 off. And this right here is basically something I'm doing to the car, and that's probably gonna be the first video I use the this GoPro for. Actually, I may even do like a POV night driving video tonight, but I'm gonna do it for this install, and that's basically it. So like I said, got the GoPro, and this is something I'm bringing to the channel, help me like do way more shit. Like, comment, subscribe. If you, like I said, if you come to my channel looking for a certain video and you don't see it there, it's coming, especially with me getting this. Like I said, I'm trying to go to the draft strip on May 29th out here, so definitely gonna need this. All right, so that's pretty much it. You see right now, time is 5:41. I'm probably about to put this video right now. If you're watching this later, I'm probably gonna drop a POV night driving video with this GoPro, just to see how it works at night. And like I said, I just got back in town, so the car is fucking, it rained while I was out of town, so it's basically raindrops all over this shit. So I'm gonna go to the car wash tomorrow. Go ahead and start this shit up real quick, just so y'all can hear it.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I said I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, now I'm out here getting rich.